Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malo lele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome! Thank you.
Alright, clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai. It's a shoulder, a pakihiwi.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's a knee. Tūri.
And our third clue, clue tuatoru, is sitting right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai. It's a shaker, a kōwiri. We have all 3 clues. We have a shoulder, which is a pakihiwi. We have a knee, a tūri, and we have a shaker, kōwiri.
Ooh, I know what song we're going to sing. We're going to sing our shaker song, Shake Shake.
That's right, and in this song, we're going to get our shaker, our kōwiri. We're going to shake on our pakihiwi, our shoulder, shake it on our tūri, our knee, shake it all around until it's time to freeze. So I want you to try and remember those 3 words in Te Reo Māori. We have our pakihiwi, tūri, and our kōwiri, and we'll test you at the end.
All right, shall we have a sing along? I'll count to toru and then we'll jump over and sing together. Tahi, rua, toru.
Shake, 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 whoa, shake, 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 shake them up high, up to the sky, shake them down low, down to your toes, shake them on your shoulders, shake them on your knees, shake them all around until it's time to freeze. I'm gonna count to 3 and then say unfreeze. 1, 2, 3, unfreeze! Shake, 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 whoa, shake, 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 shake them really loud. Oh, so loud. Like you're in a rock crowd. Shake them really softly. Oh, so soft as can be. So softly. Shake them on your shoulders, shake them on your knees, shake them all around until it's time to freeze. I'm gonna count to 3 and then say unfreeze. 1, 2, 3, unfreeze! Shake, 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 whoa, shake, 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 shake them really fast. How long can you learn? How long can you learn? We're gonna shake them really slow. Oh, so slow. How slow can you go? Ooh, it's pretty slow. Shake them on your shoulders, shake them on your knees, shake them all around until it's time to freeze. I'm gonna count to 3 and then say unfreeze. 1, 2, 3, unfreeze! Shake, 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 whoa, shake, 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 whoa, yeah!
Yay, that was so much fun. I loved when we got to freeze with our shaker.
Which shaker action was your favourite?
Ooh, that's a good one. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 words that we learnt at the beginning. Here's our first one. Starts with the sound P, Pa, Pakahiwi, shoulder.
Our next one starts with the sound T, tu, turi, ni.
And our last clue starts with the sound K, ko, kōwiri, shaker. Well done. We hope you enjoyed shaking around with us, freezing, finding your shoulder and your knee. All right, shall we go do our goodbye song together?
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite anō, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes. Oh, gotta go get my shaker.